Hey.
What's up?
We back. Lil TJ.
Lil TJ.
I think I've heard the name, but I've never heard a song. Never heard a song.
I had an ex who loved playing his music.
An ex?
That's what I know.
Are you dating gangbangers now? What the fuck? Okay, let's hear.
Sometimes I'm missing you, and I'll do anything to bring you back to me. Sometimes I'm missing you.
He did not sample Songcry.
That's what I'm trying to figure out, the sample. Because it sounds like...
Songcry.
Yeah. It is.
How can I bring you back?
I actually heard that Jay-Z gives away samples like crazy.
Like, he doesn't charge.
Yeah, he doesn't charge.
That's the same thing Michael Jackson did for... What was that group? SWV.
Yeah.
See that song, Human Nature?
Mm-hmm.
Right here. Yeah, he just okayed it. He didn't charge him for that.
Sometimes I'm missing you, and I'll do anything to bring you back to me. Sometimes I'm missing
Too small.
How can I bring you back to me?
It's like a new year, I don't know when it's finna stop. It could be a little longer, don't know when it's finna drop. All I know is I'ma grind, do me, and you could watch. Say bad thing and heard about me saying at the top. If I went, bro, they be like, oh, wow, how you lose your spots? The industry.
Christ.
I did not see.
I thought it was the Jeepers Creepers.
Exactly. I thought it was something like... I thought it was a flight of stairs. Like somewhere
I thought
there.
it was the Jeepers Creepers.
I thought it was something else.
Top, I went, bro, they be like, oh, wow, how you lose your spots? The industry could cancel me, I can't be who I'm not. And I don't care for you to understand every line drop. Just know I came from nothing, my garage look like a...
Man, I want to say shout out to the jewelers, man. Those guys are making a killing.
Johnny Young.
Like, those guys are making a killing. Like, these rappers are willing to spend on these chains. They don't care how it looks.
And they all go to Asian jewelers.
Put some fucking diamonds at a thing, make it look like it's bright, and
They all go to the same
Man.
jewelers, the Asian ones.
I wish I was a jeweler.
A lot, they be faking views, bots. Fuck the being who's hot. I'm exactly who I say I am, but you use not. We don't pick and choose shots, or for anybody. Try to act up, don't spend nobody. Back to the wall, it was nobody. If I ain't see that boy perform, I play death. Nowadays, you gotta put niggas to the test. How was you my brother and you say you gon' step? Nigga shot me in my neck and you left. 5 in my chest, going around. I couldn't picture nothing but you holding me down. Nobody, it was nobody. Chop in my head, but I smile for the fix. Mama hurt, though, my life wild as a bitch. This is shit I spent 100,000 for this. Chains bust, bitches going wild for the glitch. One of them niggas, yeah, that's the reason why they hate me. That's one of the reasons why.
Okay, I will say this is a waste of a good sample. Waste. Because, especially even like the vocal itself on the original sample,
Yeah.
you could have just taken it out. The song would have remained the same.
Yeah.
Nah, it's a waste of a vocal. I'm sorry.
It's free, so.
I can't walk with it on safety. I'ma stop every chance given, can't pace me. I can't let a nigga bake me. Nobody. Back to the wall, it was nobody.
Dude, yeah, I get what you're saying. Like,
It was useless.
his hook is catchy because it's easy for kids, even people, to like
Remember.
and sing along to. I don't think anyone is paying attention to the sample.
Yeah, and he failed to give it like that timeless sound that it is.
Yeah.
It's too typical. when that vocal kicks in, now it sounds like it's a different song. There's no synergy.
I think the song makes its point. The song and the music video, they both make their point. And it's in unison.
No, I don't like this track, man. Didn't
No, I'm not
feel
saying it's a great song. I'm just saying that it drives its point. Like it makes its point deliberate. So, but yeah, that was Lil TJ, and it's not that I don't personally. I like it.
Mhm.
I wouldn't play it because it's not really my thing, but I like it. I actually do like it. So yeah, that was Lil TJ. Yeah, please suggest more music for us to react to, and we're gonna give you a shout out in the description when we reacting to your video, and also in the video we're gonna give you a shout out. So yeah, that was Lil TJ. Please like, subscribe. We're on the road to 500. Please. So yeah, thank you so much for sticking with us for this long. Thank you.